What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from blocking your downloads. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to download some files on Google Chrome, I'm going to show you what to do to basically stop it from stopping you from downloading them, right? So let's get right into this. So first, you want to click into the three dots over here and go into settings, or just type in Chrome //settings / privacy. You don't even have to do the privacy part, but basically we're in the privacy and security section of Google Chrome settings, and in here I want you to basically click into where it says security, and then in here you're gonna see automatic. I believe it's automatic. It should be on standard protection, and it says protects against sites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous. You can do enhanced, which obviously puts it in a step above, or, which is what you personally want, is no protection. Now obviously I in general wouldn't recommend this, but this one will download everything that your computer is basically pressing the download button on, and sometimes you might not even press it. It might just kick off a download because of those types of websites, right? They're shady, right? So just an FYI. But yeah, this is basically all you need to do, and yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please smash that thumbs up. Guys, on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.